Word formation magic. Creating new words with prefixes and suffixes. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the enchanting world of word formation in English. Word formation is a powerful tool that lets us create new words and expand our vocabulary. Today, we'll be focusing on how to use prefixes and suffixes to create new words. Let's start with the basics. What is word formation? Simply put, it is the creation of a new word. One common way we do this in English is through the use of prefixes and suffixes. A prefix is a group of letters added at the start of a word, while a suffix is added at the end. For instance, take the word do. Add the prefix un, and we get undo, a whole new word with a different meaning. Similarly, add the suffix to do, we get doer, yet another new word. Fascinating, isn't it? Prefixes can transform the meaning of a word, often creating an opposite or negative version of it. Some common examples include un, in, dis, non, mis, etc. Let's look at some examples. Happy becomes unhappy. Visible becomes invisible. Approve becomes disapprove. Sense becomes nonsense. Understand becomes misunderstand. In all these examples, we're using prefixes to create new words that mean the opposite of the original word. Suffixes also change the meaning of a word but can additionally change its word class or part of speech. Common examples of suffixes are ing, ness, able, li, etc. Here are some examples. Do becomes doer, verb to noun. Happy becomes happiness, adjective to noun. Help becomes helpful, verb to adjective. Quick becomes quickly, adjective to adverb. Read becomes reading, verb to noun or adjective. In all these examples, we're creating new words and potentially changing their role in a sentence. Now it's your turn. Try to use these principles to create your own new words. For instance, what new word can you form by adding a prefix to agree? How about a suffix to care? Remember, practice is the key to mastering this process. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring the magic of word formation with prefixes and suffixes. Keep practicing and soon you'll be able to create new words with ease. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Until next time, happy studying.